Hello, everyone. This is Mr. Heredia with a guide on how to navigate the visual timeline linked here on slide 16. So once you go to your Google Classroom and access the weekly presentation for this week, take yourself to slide 16, where we are right now. You'll come up to the link to the visual timeline. You'll click that to go to the timeline on the United States Holocaust Memorial Museum website. They're a leader in research in the United States about how the Holocaust affected Jews and all the other people that were affected. You will go to this page and it will start you with this timeline of events. Our focus for today will be starting at 1933 and we'll be going up to 1945. So here, where my cursor is, this is where the link will automatically take you, 1933 to 1938. You'll just navigate to these tabs to switch the years. Once you scroll down, you'll have a summary of the events that occurred. After the summary, you'll have the specific events, and they have many pictures that are associated with these events as well. So the first event that you need to have in your timeline is the first event on this page, and that is that Adolf Hitler was appointed the Chancellor of Germany. From there, take some time, look at the pictures. You can see some of the things that started. For example, right after Hitler became the Chancellor of Germany, the Nazi Party started to organize a nationwide boycott of Jewish-owned businesses in Germany. So that could be something else that you added in your timeline. Again, please remember, you need to have the 5 events listed on slide 16 and 3 additional events of your choice. So in total, you will have 8 events on this timeline today. Please let your teacher know if you have any questions, and have a wonderful day.